Hello everyone, I am Prasenjit Nandi. Welcome to my channel. In the last videos, I have discussed how to find the multiplication of numbers easily. In this video, I will discuss how to find square of numbers easily. So, we will discuss some of the special numbers and then find the square of that numbers. So, at first, here I will discuss how to find a number whose last digit is 5. So for finding this type of square, we can use a formula. We can use that formula to find that square of that number. So if the last digit is 5, we can use that formula as, suppose a number is a5. If we need to find the square of a5, then the formula is a into a plus 1 comma 5 square. This is the formula we can use to find the square of a number whose last digit is 5. For example, suppose we need to find the square of 25. So 25 square. So here if we can relate these two, we can see that the last digit is 5 and the first digit is here a and here the first digit is 2. So here a equals to 2. Therefore a plus 1 will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now the formula is as follows: a into a plus 1. So we need to find the product of a and a plus 1. So here a is 2 and a plus 1 is 3. So the product of a and a plus 1 is 2 into 3, that is 6, and 5 square is 25. So 625. So the square of the number 25 is 625. So this is the way to find the square of a number whose last digit is 5. Now what will be the square of 35? Now think about that. What will be the square of number 35? Now here the last digit is 5, so we can apply 5 square, that is 25, comma, so here a is 3 and a plus 1 will be 4. So 3 into 4, that will be 12. So 12 comma 25 is the square of the number 35. Now next 45 square. What will be 45 square? So 45 square, as we can see, 45 square, 5 square is 25 and 4, here 4 is a, so the next number of 4 is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 comma 25 is the square of that number. So we can find larger numbers whose last digit is 5. So suppose, for example, what will be the square of 85? So to find the square of 85, for example 85 square, here we can see here a is 8, so a plus 1 will be 9. So 8 into 9 comma 5 square is 25. So 72 comma 25 is the square of the number 85. Okay, similarly we can approach 95 square, we can find 105 square. So how to find 95 square? So for 95 square, here also 5 square is 25, comma, and 9, the next number of 9 is 10. So 9 into 10 will be 90. So 90 25 will be the square of 95 square. So this is the way to find the square of a number whose last digit is 5. So here by using this formula we can find the square of a number whose last digit is 5. Now we will see how to find a square of a number who is near to base numbers. In the last video I have discussed about base numbers. So what is base number? The numbers like 10, 100, 1000, those numbers 10, 100, thousands and so on, those numbers are called the base number. Now if a number is nearest to base, it is easy to calculate the square of that type of numbers. For example, if I need to find 101 square, it is very easy to find by using a formula. So what is the formula? First we need to know the formula to find the square of a number which is nearest to the base. So the formula is as follows. Suppose the number is n and we need to find the square of that number, that is n square. We need to find the square of n. So the formula is as follows: n plus d comma d square. This is the formula we need to apply to find the square of a number which is nearest to the base. The base numbers are as follows: 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Those are the numbers, we call them as base numbers. So what is D here? D is the distance of base and that number. So here D is the distance of that number and the base. That is, if the number is n minus base number, that will be our D. This is the formula to find D, and to find our n is the, here n is the number of which square we need to find. So n square equals to n plus d comma d square will be the formula. Now I will show you some example to find this type of numbers, square of this type of numbers. For example, here 101 square. So how to find 101 square? So first of all we need to find D. So how to find D? D equals to n. N means 101 minus base number. Here the base number is 100 because it is nearest to 100. So here the base number will be 100. So 101 minus 100, that will be 1. So the formula is as follows: n plus d. So here 101 plus 1 comma 1 square. So here the number, here the answer will be 102 comma 1 square is 1. So we need to know that this must contain 2 digits. Since the base square is 100, so 100 means 10 square. So here it must contains 2 digits. So here it is 1 digit. So we fill that number by 0. So 101 square will be 10201. This is the way to find the square of a number which is nearest to that base number. Again, let us take another example. For example, find the square of a number 103. So how to find the square of a number 103? So 103 square will be, first to find that we need to find the D. So here D is n minus the base number. So here n is 103. So 103 minus base number is 100. So that will be 3. So here D is 3. Now n plus D. What will be n plus D? Here n is 103 and D is 3. So 103 plus 3, that will be 106 comma 3 square. What will be 3 square? 3 square is 9. That is 9 and here is 0. So the number is, so the square of the number 103 is 106 comma 09. This is the square of that number 103. So this is the way to find this type of number, square of this type of number which is nearest to the base 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Again, how to, now we'll find a square of a number 99. So 99 square, how to find 99 square? Again, this number is also nearest to base 100. So we can apply this process to find the square of 99 also. So how to find the square of 99? So we need to find D here. So here D will be, D equals to n minus base number. So here the n is 99 minus base number is 100. So here D is minus 1. Now n plus D. So 99 plus minus 1 comma D square is minus 1 square. So here D is minus 1. So n plus D will be 99 plus minus 1 comma minus 1 square. Now 99 minus 1, that means 98. So that will be 98 and minus 1 square is 1 and we need to put 0 here. So that will be 9801. So this is the way we can also find the numbers which are below 100, that is below the base number 100. Now again we can also find the number 97 square, 96 square, 94 square, any number which is nearest to 100. So how to find 97 square? Again apply the formula. Suppose we need to find 97 square. So how to find the square of 97? Now 97, so we need to find D here. So here D is 97 minus 100, that is minus 3. Now n plus D, that is 97 plus minus 3 comma minus 3 square. So that is 94 comma 09. So 9409 is the square of that number 97. So this is the way you can find any number which is nearest to the base number. We can find the square of that number by using this formula only. Again, suppose I need to find the square of, suppose 19999. I need to find the square of 999. So how can I find the square of 999? So 999 square, so here you can see 999 is closer to 1000. So here the base number is 1000. So at first I need to find d. So we can see n minus base number. Here n is 999 and the base number is 1000. So 999 minus 1000 will be minus 1. So what will be the number? 999 plus, since d is minus 1, comma minus 1 square. So 999 minus 1 will be 998, comma 1 square is 1. Now here the base number is 1000. So what is 1000? 1000 is 10 cube. So we need, here the value is 3. So there we have to fill 3 values, 3 digits. There is only 1 digit, that is 1. So we have to fill 2 zeros here. So 999 square will be 998, 001. This is the easiest way to find the square of a number which are nearest to base number. Similarly, we can find any number which are nearest to the base number. Suppose I need to find the square. Suppose I need to find the square of a number 9999. Suppose 9999 square. So how to find the square of the number? Similar approach we have to apply here. So here d will also be, now here the base number is 1000. 10,000 is a base number. Again we can see here it is closer to 10,000. So the d will be minus 1 since it is below 10,000. So the d will be here minus 1. So we can apply this n plus d. So here n is 9999 plus d. D means minus 1, that is 9999 plus minus 1, 9998, comma minus 1 square. Minus 1 square will be 1. Now what will be the number of digits here? Here the base is, we can see 40, that is 10 to the power 4. There are 4 digits. So 10 to the power 4. We need to fill 4 digits here. There is only 1 digit 1. So we need to fill 0, 0, 0 here. So the value of square of 999 is 9998,0001. This is the way to find the square of a number which is nearest to base. We can apply this process to any number which is nearest to the base number. We can also find the square of 99999 square, 999999 square. Any number which will be nearest to base, it is very easy to calculate. For example, again we can find the square of a number. Suppose 1004 square. What will be the square of 1004? Now again we can see that here the base number is 1000 and the d is the distance of that number from base number. So it is easily, you can see that the distance is 4. So what will be the square of that number? 1004 plus 4, that is 1008, comma distance square. So the distance is 4. So 4 square is 16. So here 16. Now 1000, here there are 3 places. 1000 means 10 cube. So we need to put 3 places here. So there is only 2 places. We put a 0 here. So the square of 1004 is 1008,016. So this is the way to find the square of that type of number. Again, find the square of, suppose 9997 square. So again 9997, this is closest to 10,000. So the base number is 10,000 and here the distance is minus 3. So we can apply here the formula. So 9997 plus minus 3 will be 9994, comma minus 3 square will be 9. Now there are 1 2 3 4 digits. So you need to put 4 digits here. there are only one digit 9, so we need to put 0 0 0 here. So 99997 square will be 9994 comma 0009. So this is the way we can find the square of some special numbers. At first we have seen that how to find the square of a number whose last digit is 5, and here we have seen how to find the square of a number which is nearest to the base number. So here the base number can be taken as 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So this is the way we can find any type of square of a special number like this, which are nearest to some base number 10, 100 and so on. So those are the formulas to finding the square of the numbers. In the next video I will discuss how to find square of any type of number.